Alrighty, just doing some super simple stuff today. I'm going to try and figure out a good spot for the camera. Maybe right there ought to work. Okay. Just a simple rekey. One of the best screwdrivers for these little Adams Wright screws on the back of a mortise body is the smaller Milwaukee screwdriver. You got the bigger one here. But this little tiny guy works pretty stinking good. So we'll just pull these out of here. Oh. Follower. Looks like we've got a working key. Bingo. Nothing fits. Alrighty. Nope. Okay, that's not gonna fit. There we go. Seven. Where's my 7? And what else do we need here? Go. Oops. Nope. What happened? Why is that? I got the wrong pins in the wrong bucket on this one. That's what's going on here. Put that back together. Bingo. Just a simple everyday rekey. Gravy, gravy, gravy all day long. No problems. No strange locking devices, no lockout, no panic hardware, no nothing. Just nice, easy rekey. For more information, check out wayneslockshop.com. Check it out. We'll get into a lot more in-depth stuff over there. And there you go. Thanks for watching.